Hello, welcome to Luma. Nice to meet you Friday night, and today we are still selling LED winning lamps. So this week's subject is mainly for there is have a little difference. So we can see the table. Table is all measured. So you will see there is difference like this OLP 6008. This one is very little to introduce. So this one is also there is special to introduce to you. So we can see the surface. Normally we are using the transparent. We call this style is cross-tail. So why we call like this? So we can see this is transparent for the surface round, and there is have the big solar panel. And the single side, the back side there is difference. We normally call it the solar LED winning lamps, just is recharging by the solar. So this styles is have the DC plug. It means you can using the CD power and for the using the carbon fiber voltage to DC voltage for recharging the power from the back side, and have the smart metal bracket. And can easily to fixing any traffic barrier, any traffic post, any place you can fix it. So this one we are recommended to you is also have there is 2 minutes for in charging power and the switch in the below, and have there 4 functions we can see. Okay, we need to check the switch. Maybe there is not enough the power for solar styles. We need to have there is DC plug. DC plug. So just have the no power. So this emergency state, we need to have there is DC plug for recharging. So later we will show it to you how to use it. There is very special. If there is no power and in the night time or there is indoor, we have no way to recharging by the solar panel, so by the sunshine. So there is using the DC for recharging the power is very important. So and we are waiting for college to take the DC power plug. So next we will introduce the other styles. So here we can see here have there is special. Have you seen any difference? This is 2 lamps. 2 lamps. One is there is all US styles for the LB5100. So we can see this one have there is smart round surface and smart for the power basic. This one and fixing by there is difference we can see. And the first we introduce the function. There is 2 functions, static lighting normally using, and also we need to tracking. There is how flashing. Flashing rate is 65 times per minute, and then we off. Okay, this will have the more functions, 3 functions. This is have there is flashing. Okay, so this one we are normally using there is a US traffic post, and also there is we need to show into you the screw. Okay. So we open the switch, the back side. So this is the screw is for one time to use it, and we just using the 2 plug for open the switch. So this key also using the special professional key using. So after we plug here, this lens is can customize as there is someone like the lens and difference like the traffic panel thickness and the traffic jam thickness. So this one is can customize for the lens, and this is the special for this. And we can see this number from batteries using. So this is also we are recommend to you for US styles LED warning lamps. And so we can see there is also easily to get the battery compared there is the US styles. So, and we are checking this one. This one is also solar styles, and you can see the type for the button. So this one is can directly using in the coin, traffic coin, and this is also easily for using, and the handle have there is 3 functions. For this style is also very port sealing for using, and there is we always using the internal switch is can protect the lamps not easy to break after there is high temperature or the cold temperature. Then so we can see this is very easily for get the functions. There is 3 functions. You can see stopping flashing, static flashing like here, and off. Okay, so this is internal switch we always recommend to you, but also there is some custom like there is switch is can be touched in the back side or the other place, so also can customize the using. And we can see the table, and we also always see this one is OLB6007. This is also there is the for this type is also the source is from the USA, but now it's an application everywhere, as this is the design is always the excellent. When we talk like this, so we can convert using OLB600. This is the earliest for the first earliest for the solar style solar LED warning lamps. So we can see the difference is the transparent surface, and this one has a frame for protect, and the top side have the solar panel, and this has a cover protect. This is directly. So of course, this one is also still hot sorting if there is the water, the rain is not so heavy, and this one is always the best choice. Why? The cost is reasonable and also easily together using the round wall, and there is bright have the traffic post. Always can be doing like together, and also easily for common the color. We can see the green color. And white color also can together with the marine light also use this. So this one is also always there is best choice. If your place is not too cold, and if your place is not too heavily and you are hanging in the outside, this one is good choice and with a reasonable cost. And this one is LB6007. Why we recommend it? This is big face. There is 200 diameter for this, and the surface for frame. And why we talk like this as easily? There is if we are dropped from here, this one is not easy to break. Why? This is has a plastic. So. And like this one have there is compare this one have the 24 LEDs. This one is just have the 4 LEDs. When we talk like this, as this is more brightness, and with there is high top like this the solar panel cover, no cover. So price of course is different. So the best choice is always we can see there is the Middle East, and there is not so many ring place. Always choose the reasonable price. And there is one is measured in the high quality market. So we need to enter. There is smart light like this, and this one is not bracket but is with magnet. And any place we can be put, just have the metal material. You can put anyway, and also have the brightness like this is reflector, and with there is how many LEDs? 6 LEDs, and with 2 functions. So we can see 1 stopping, off, flashing, normally flashing. So this one we also recommend to you, but some problem like this. You have so many styles, LED warning lamps and solar LED warning lamps. So how do I choose for the construction? How do I choose for the roadway for warning lamps? And how to choose there is different project. So this one we need to attention. Different qualities of course have there is the market. And like all the sunflower also that we need to recommend to you. This is the single size, and there is sunflower face. So this one always also there is best choice in the road for warning functions. So let us entering. Why we need to choose like this? So we are from the function, from the application to 2 kinds. One is for the long time for warning in the roadway, and also long time for the constructions, and there is temporary construction project. So you will tell to me there is a high price, and my project just is 3 months. 3 months. I just need the warning in the temporary in the roadway. So this time we will of course choose to you this one or LB600SA02. So what I recommend to you, this one is easily for put in the coin, and also the price is very reasonable, high brightness, and I always can do. You can choose 3 functions, use this, and also reasonable price. For temporary project, we are the first choice is there is normally quality but must be good price with reasonable price, and with there is medium quality. So must make sure there is like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, no break. This is good warning lamps. So if you are there is please have the heavily fog, and also heavily there is bus, and easily couldn't to see any things, but also the temporary project. So this one also can choose it. This one choosing. Also the price will expensive than this one, but this one is let your warning function more safety. Why? This have 24 double face 24 LEDs. So we see the brightness. Okay, so seems no. Okay, we see. Compare this one. You will find the clearly difference. The LED is 24 and the LED is just a 4 piece for one each, and there is 12 LEDs for each. It has larger difference. So it means there is, if you road very widely, and also the road have the heavy fog, or there is heavy dust, you need more safety than choose like this one. This one is will keep you safety when you construction and doing anything. There is brightness LEDs, warning lamps, well more safety. So So like this. So, and you will tell me I'm the maintenance company, and I need to use many times this project finish, and the next time I still need using this LED warning lamps. So solar LED warning lamps, of course, recommended to you, and you will need to see how to recharging the power for the LED lamps. And also there is daily time we need to put the solar LED warning lamps in the outside for recharging the power. Keep the battery is always in there is activity. Also like we talk more frankly, like there is a light. So as the battery is every 3 months, we need to put outside for recharging the power. Keep the battery in the activity. So. And we need to this one also we recommend to you. Like this, you are maintenance construction, and like you are construction company, you need using this is many times. So LB6007, and like this one also can recommend to you. And also like this sunflower recommend to you. But the sunflower is have the problems. When you are using, you must have the post for insulation. Then this is brightness. But you construction, your long lifespan for the constructions around edges use the post with the sunflower. And this is can we see there is 4 functions, 2, 3, 4. And also there is construction and around the edges, and we always can say, and the drop test also no problems. So that's why we always talk there is a long lifespan for the solar LED warning lamps. You need to choose the good quality and have there is passing the job test as there is you put the solar LED warning lamps outside, must keep the long lifespan hardness for the plastic, and also keep there is long lifespan good quality with the best choice with the reasonable price. And so this one can recommend to you using there is warning in the roadway, using the traffic post. And if you are the maintenance and use there is always together for the traffic coins, so these 2 types can use it. And if you are there is project and not always worrying there is no sound for recharging. So battery style always there is battery styles always welcome, like the round is internal and indoor, and in the railway station like this is for battery styles more better than the solar panel, as there is not easily get the sunshine. So battery style also have the necessaries. So like this one we recommend to you. Also this is if you project have there is metal styles and you want the easily for fixing like this. And maybe you also there is widely using, you put in your car also can working like all LED road flag. So this is 2 things. So this one is have there is big magnet and was the smarter lighting and the reflectors together. So this one also easily to carry and easily to put any place if there is a metal place. So this is where you introduce to you how to choose for there is long lifespan for the construction over 1 year or maintenance company for how to choose the solar LED warning lamps and the LED warning lamps, and also the temporary. Remember, temporary project, we always using there is a reasonable price with there is normally quality is okay. As if you are maintenance need many times using again and again, so must be good quality and keep there is a long lifespan with the battery and with the from and happiness new material and can pass in the job testing. That's always very important. So today we need to sing to there is good luck to you and see you next time. Bye bye.